Who picked up the sprinkles? We're gonna put some chocolate chips on them?
Yeah.
Put them in the cookie. Put them in the cookie. Put them in the cookie. Like the eyes. And you can maybe do some buttons. You do it. Push that one in. Push that one in. Don't take it. Push it in. Good job. Do you want to put some on this guy?
No.
You want to eat them, I know, but that's not the point.
Eating a potato.
Too much eating. You're not going to get any cookies when they're done.
Eating.
Are you taking all of those?
You making cookies?
Yeah. Oh. Take.
We're supposed to put the sprinkles on the cookie. Looks like you got a bit of sprinkle on your mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you do.
What's that?
That's cookies that are done.
Then.
You can put more sprinkles on?
Yeah. What's that?